I've been wanting to get more of my aminos in, and one way to do that is with gummies. So these are vegan, no sugar, gluten-free, and these have Tonga alley, beetroot, ashwagandha, maca root, grapeseed, black ginger, horny goat weed, L-agicatine, HCl, and they're 1500 megagrams. Let's go ahead and open these up and try them out. They come in a sealed container here. Let's see, the expiration on these is, let's do the math, more than 2 years out. Oh, that's nice. So if I open up the bag here, they're in a reclosable bag, but each of the gummies is in a little pack. So that means I could bring these with, not have to worry about them getting mixed up or anything. So this is really going to be good for travel and single use. Let's go ahead and check one of these out. Looks just like it does on the front here. Mixed berry. Good flavor. It's a really good gummy. Real sweet. Wow. Really good flavor. Kind of a smooth berry flavor. It's sweet without being like a candy. Really like this. I want to thank them for sending us this to check out. Hope this helps.